Did you know sunflower blooms with the sun rising and they travel along with the sun? Amazing, beautiful creation of our nature. Amazing, as the sun comes up, the sunflowers will bloom and they travel during the day. If you take a look at this, all the sunflowers are facing right now the top. It's close to about 1 and the the sunflower is following the sun. Such an amazing thing, isn't it? And what is most amazing is that when it is cloudy, when it is completely, the sun is not seen, what do sunflowers do? They immediately turn to each other. That's a wonderful, inspiring thing that we can learn from our nature, learn from this beautiful sunflower is that during difficult times, when we don't have somebody to look up to, challenges, problems, difficulties, troubles, whom do we look up to? Yes, our family members. Families that look up to each other, stay with each other. COVID has been a time, a very difficult time where we are locked up at home. In fact, global warming is not an issue during this last 118 months, but it's home warming. People are finding it difficult to be each other. But we can learn a wonderful lesson from this amazing sunflower is that, yes, when difficult times, the times when it is cloudy, it's dark, be like a sunflower, my dear friend. You are a superhuman.